Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about SELEC DIN Rail Mount 120W Power Supply. Here is the unboxing and overview of this power supply. Here is the model name. Now let's check inside the box. First, we get the user manual in the box, and in that, you'll get the instructions. Underneath, we have our power supply module. Here is the brand of the power supply. And down there is a model number as well. And here is an overview of the power supply. This is 120 watts, and we have a 24-volt DC 5 ampere output, where there is a plus and a minus. And at the bottom, we have 100 to 240 volt AC input with line, neutral, and earthing. And on the side, we get the order number, version, and serial number as well. Now let's see the dimensions of the power supply. The width is 43 millimeters. The height is 109.80 millimeters. And the depth is 102.7 millimeters. Here is the terminal connection of the power supply. The weight of the power supply is 350 grams. So here is the unboxing and overview of this SELEC DIN Rail Mount 120W power supply. And now let's see some technical specification of power supply. Product, RPS 120. Input voltage, 90 to 264 volt AC, 127 to 370 volt DC. Output voltage, 12 volt to 48 volt. Output power, 120 watts. Overload protection, greater than 110% of rated output current, hiccup type, auto recovery. Overvoltage protection latch type, input AC power to be recycled to recover the power supply. Output short circuit protection, hiccup mode when output is shorted, auto recovery type. Operating temperature, 25 degrees Celsius to plus 70 degrees Celsius, durate linearly above 50 degrees Celsius from 100% load at 50 degrees Celsius to 50% load at 70 degrees C, 25 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Startup is guaranteed with specification deviation. Storage temperature, 40 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. Cooling, natural convection cooled. Humidity, 5 to 95% RH, non-condensing. Altitude, 2000 m. Mounting, 35 mm DIN rail. Thank you for watching and supporting us.